Hi, I'm Patrick, and I'm going to show you how to log packages into EZTrackIt. So just go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you'll go right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tracking code from the package, and I'm going to scan it with my barcode reader. All right, so there, my barcode reader logs the package in. I could start typing the first name or the last name or the company of the person you want to log a package to. You could see it's going to automatically select a carrier. You could change that if you'd like. You have the option of saying what it is, but you don't have to. You could add information to the Notes 1 and a Notes 2 field, and you can even say it's urgent and then hit the package. Now, most of the time, you can log packages much faster. You would just scan the package barcode. You're going to type who it's for. In this case, I'm going to say it's for John Lennon, and this is all in real time, and hit the enter key, and that's it, we're done. If you have a package that has no barcode with it, you can just simply hit scan like this. It'll create a package number, a package track number for you, and you'll see that tracking number shows up right here at the top of the screen. And so we can copy that if you want, or you could just write that on a package. So to check out a package, you would simply just go to the checkout button right here. And now, just as before, let's say I want to get a signature. I'm going to go ahead and scan that first barcode. When I do that, it checks out the package and it lets me sign it out like that. It's very easy to do. And I hit save. Once we do that, the system is going to let me know that I'm leaving two packages behind. So if I want to, I could check them both out with the same signature. And now if I want to see more information about that, first of all, here's those signatures right there. And I can click on any one of them to pull up that information, and I can see the status of the package, whether or not we printed something, whether or not we sent an email, and the fact that it's urgent. Everything just down to even the device IP address of the computer that we used or the handheld that we used. And that's it. You log it in and log it out super fast and super easy at EZTrackIt.